Good morning, class. I'm Gerald M. Macpagal, your practice teaching for today. Before we tackle our new discussion, so let us recall the direct and inverse variation. In direct variation, if y varies directly with x, or y is directly proportional to x, may be translated mathematically as y equal kx. While inverse variation, if y varies inversely to x, may translate to y equal k over x. So in this video lesson, we will focus on joint variation. Our objective is illustrate situations that involve joint variation. Joint variation. In the statement, A varies jointly as B and C, it means A equal KBC or K equal A over BC, where K is the constant of variation. So in joint variation, some physical relationship as an area or volume, it may involve three or more variables simultaneously. So ang kinaibahan niya sa direct and inverse variation, so sa joint variation, it may involve three or more variables. So, let's translate each statement into a mathematical sentence. Use K as the constant of variation. First, P varies jointly as Q and R. So, meron tayong makikitang connected na end. So, ibig sabihin, pagsasamahin natin si Q and R. So, that is P equal KQR. So, yung K natin is a constant variation. Another, the area A of parallelogram varies jointly as the base B and altitude H. So, A equal, so jointly base B and altitude H. So, that is A equal KBH. For number 3, the volume of a cylinder V varies jointly as its height h and the square of the radius r. So that is V equal kh, and since meron tayong square of the radius r, so magiging V equal khr squared. For lastly, number 4, the heat h produced by an electric lamp varies jointly as the resistance R and the square of the current I. So, may square ulit to. So, it means this is I squared. So, H equal KR I squared, or pwede naman mauna yung I squared bago yung R. So, how to find a constant variation and the equation of variation? First, find the equation of variation where A varies jointly as B and C, and A equal 36 when B equal 3 and C equal 4. First, kailangan mo muna nating i-translate itong mathematical statement na A varies jointly as B and C. So, ang una natin makukunin dito ay yung constant of variation. Tsaka natin makukuha yung equation ng variation. So, in order to find the constant of variation, we substitute the value of A, B, and C. A is 36, B is 3, and C is 4. And then, simplify it. To solve for K, divide both sides by 12. The constant of variation is 3. So, balikan natin yung na-translate nating mathematical statement para makuha natin yung equation. Kung saan, papalitan lang natin yung K natin ng 3. So, that is A equal 3BC. This is the equation of variation. Therefore, the required equation of variation is A equal 3BC. Another, Z varies jointly as X and Y. If Z equals 16 when X equals 4 and Y equals 6, find the constant of variation and the equation of the relation. So, kagaya ng naunang example, kailangan mo muna natin kunin yung constant of variation tsaka natin makukuha yung equation of variation. So, first, kailangan mo muna natin tignan yung mga variables na naka-indicated dito. Ang naunang example ay ang mga variables niya ay A, B, and C. Dito naman, ang mga variables na involved ay Z, X, and Y. So, kailangan talaga natin tignan yung mga variables niya para hindi tayo malito. So, kapag translate natin to into mathematical statement, that is Z equal KXY. Yung K natin is the constant variation. Para makuha natin yung constant variation, substitute natin yung Z, X, and Y. Z is 16, X is 4, and Y is 6. Then, multiply the 4 and 6. To solve for K, divide both sides by 24. So, K equals 16 over 24. So, pwede natin kunin yung lowest term ng dalawa by dividing both numerator and denominator by 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So, yung constant of variation natin is K is equals to 2 over 3. So, makukuha na natin yung equation of variation by substituting the value of K in the equation that is Z equal 2 over 3 XY. So, the equation of variation is Z equal 2/3 XY. Another example. Find an equation of variation in which Y varies jointly as X and Z, and Y equal 45 when X equal 18 and Z equal 10. Find Y when X equal 20 and Y equal 30. Bago natin makuha yung value ng Y, kailangan mo muna natin makuha yung constant of variation. So, ganun ulit. Yung variables natin, i-translate natin into mathematical statement, which is Y equal KXZ. And then, substitute natin yung Y, X, and Z. Y is equals to 45, X is equals to 18, and Z is equals to 10. So, simplify it. 45 equal K times 18 times 10 is equals to 45 equal 180K. To solve for K, divide both sides by 180. K equal 45 over 180. Pag kinuha natin yung lowest term nito, by dividing both numerator and denominator by 45, K is equals to 1/4. And to get the equation of variation, substitute lang tayo, Y is equals to 1/4 XZ. So, makukuha natin yung value ng Y ngayon. So, solve for Y. Substitute natin yung Y is equals to 1/4 times 20 times 30 is equals to 150. So, this is the value of Y. Last example in this video lesson. The area of a triangle varies joint as the base and the altitude of the triangle. If A equals 65 cm squared, when B is equals to 10 cm and H is equals to 13 cm, find the area of a triangle whose base is 8 cm and whose altitude is 11 cm. Yung una nating gagawin is to translate a mathematical statement. That area varies jointly as the base and altitude. That is, A is equals to KBH. After that, substitution of A, B, and H, that is 65 cm squared, is equals to K times 10 cm times 13 cm. Then, simplify it. 65 cm squared is equals to K times 10 cm times 13 cm is equals to 130 cm squared K. To solve for K, divide both sides by 130 cm squared. Pag kinuha natin yung lowest term, when divide it, both numerator and denominator by 65, the answer is K is equals to 1/2. So, balik tayo sa mathematical statement. And then, substitute natin yung value ng K sa equation of variation. That is, A is equals to 1/2 BH. Solving for A is equals to 1/2 times 8 centimeter times 11 centimeter. That is A is equals to 44 centimeter squared. The area of a triangle is the base is 8 centimeter and the altitude is 11 centimeter is 44 centimeter squared. Before we end in this video lesson, I want to share this quote for us. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computation, or algorithms. It is about understanding. Again, I'm Gerald M. Mapagal, your practice teacher in this video lesson. Thank you for watching.